I got this at Bass Pro Shops, and if you're a veteran and have proof that you're a veteran, like a 214, or it's on your license, they give you 10% off, which is good because from what I've seen, Yeti does not discount their coolers. So, put this down for a second. Some stickers, how to register, some guidance on it. It comes with a basket. I researched the Arctic ones, and they're cheaper, but if you look on their website, they actually don't come with a basket. So you want to add that back in when you cost compare these. There we go. So there's the handles and the drain on the side. And again, this was $300. I got it at 10% off with Bass Pro Shops. And the 10% applies to your entire order. The other thing I wanted to show was how common items actually look inside the cooler, because when I researched this, I didn't see any that actually put anything in it. So there's a wine bottle. Let me see. Looks like that would have to be on its side, but that's okay. Some stuff handy here. Here's a can of Pepsi. Here's a bottle of beer. Here's a gallon of milk. So you can kind of get an idea of how much space each thing takes up. And on their side, bottle of beer, can, bottle of wine has to be on its side. So, the Yeti 45. So hopefully this is helpful.